Hi, good day everyone. Today we're going to be learn how to process the replenishment purchase order. Right, earlier we already learned to how to check PR and replenish. All right, so what is the purpose to do the replenishment purchase order? As I said earlier, to confirm the PR quantity and the item that issued by outlet and which is after done the replenishment by HQ purchasing department need to be converted as a replenishment purchase order to confirm as a master purchase order. So that is a step we're going to be view. So here the replenishment purchase order, and you can see the deliveries to HQ warehouse and the deliveries to the outlet. So as a two options, which is a replenishment can do the PO to deliver to either warehouse or either to the outlets. As earlier, we already continuously will learn from the directs followed by deliver to the outlets. So now we click to the deliver to the outlets, and here you can see the Tongwo Sendrian Barat, which is the supplier. The difference with the check PR, replenish and the replenishment purchase order is check PR and replenish is to confirm that by HQ department and giving an approval for the items and quantity issued by outlet side. And once that process is complete and need to be converted to the document as a official as a purchase order, that with the processing for the replenishment purchase order. So how to do the process? You can be click to the Tonggo Sendrian Barat and click to the process PO, and here you can see the which items and by quantity they issued, and followed by kg and prices. So how to change the distribution quantity to confirm? You click to this column distribution quantity here, and you can see this dialog box. Okay, the differences here, you can see the request quantity is showing 10 is followed by the purchase requisition information, and you can see here is a 8 kg is which is done by the HQ department if they go for check PR and replenish. So that is the difference. You can see 8 here and purchase quantity 8 here, which is the same, and followed by 10 is followed by the client side issue of purchase requisition. And here you can see the distribute all, distribute eventually, and distribute row. If let's say you have the one item with the different outlets, you can be see a different rows that you can be followed by distribution row. And distribution eventually is followed by which is 8, and allocate it should be 8 is the same. And if you click to distribute all is followed by requesting quantity. Okay, let me go to the process. If I click to the distribute all, the system is followed by request quantity 8 and allocate quantity also 10. All right, and purchase quantity 8, which is we already done in the PR process. And if I click distribute all, the allocate quantity will back to the again their purchase requisition. Also, it can be done. Why this process is involved here? The moment after they already done the check PR, in case suddenly outlet people is make a call manually to the HQ side, we needed additional extra as followed by 2 kg what we need to request it. So since the HQ side they already know that a valid reason, here the places that can be changed the quantity. If let's say the quantity it should be the same, you can be click to the even distribution, then we make a tally back as according to the 8, and here is purchasing and allocate will be 8. Okay, examples, if I click to the distribute all and is a change to the 10, if I click OK, the system will asking that allocate distribution quantity is larger than initial purchase. Do you wish process or not? If you click yes, the system will change back again is a 10 kg, no longer 8 kg. All right. So if let's say you want to be maintained to be 8, then you click to the distribute eventually is a change back is a 8. So this is the place where you can be distribute purchase quantity to outlet, followed by as a request quantity earlier the PR, and come back to the eventually distribution. So that is the purpose to do the replenishment process in this step. So once done, you just click OK, and the distribute quantities become as 8. So one is done, is confirm the distribution quantity. You click to the save, and the system will be print out as a master purchase order. So for the first page, you can't see purchase order delivered to where, because this is that we call as a master purchase order. What is the purpose is come out as a master purchase order is because of, if assume that this chicken is need to be delivered as a 3 outlets is concurrently by a different volume of the quantity. So the system will be lump sum everything all together by total quantity with one items. If I click to the next, which is a close, then the system will be print out another purchase order with an individual PO followed by the quantity is a distribute. All right, so the system will come out as a first master purchase order and come back as a next, which is a follow individual purchase order automatically followed by how many outlets as a replenishment we going to do. So once done, then we close it. So the blank with the column is already done, which is a clear off. So the system, which is followed by the check PR and replenish, after that complete to the replenishment purchase order. So this is how the steps you need to be done to get it as a master purchase order. So example, we go back to the close here and we go to the report sites, and here you can see the MPO. So from here also you can review the reports. So example is a main food industries here, and I can earlier we already done, which is another MPO. And if we want to go back to close back again, it will come back as a individual purchase order. So this is how you're going to be do a check PR and replenish, and after that do the replenishment purchase order. Okay, thank you.